Today's topic is Master Excel with these 10 hidden tips and tricks. Excel is a powerful tool that can help you organize, analyze, and present data in a variety of ways. But even if you've been using it for years, there are probably some features and shortcuts that you haven't discovered yet. Here are 10 hidden tips and tricks that will take your Excel skills to the next level. Use the concatenate function to combine text from multiple cells into one. This can save you time if you need to create a full name or address from separate columns. Freeze panes to keep certain rows or columns visible when scrolling through a large dataset. This is helpful when you need to compare information in different parts of the sheet. Use conditional formatting to highlight cells that meet certain criteria, such as values above or below a certain threshold. This can make it easier to spot trends and outliers. Group rows or columns together to collapse and expand sections of the sheet. This is useful if you need to focus on a specific part of the data. Create a pivot table to summarize and analyze large amounts of data. This can help you see patterns and relationships that might not be apparent from the raw numbers. Use the VLOOKUP function to search for a specific value in a table and return a corresponding value from another column. This is helpful when you need to match data from different sources. Sort and filter data to quickly find specific information or identify trends. You can sort by multiple columns and apply filters to specific ranges of data. Use keyboard shortcuts to save time and avoid repetitive clicking. Some useful shortcuts include Ctrl+C to copy, Ctrl+V to paste, and Ctrl+Z to undo. Use the if function to perform calculations based on certain conditions. For example, you could use if to calculate a discount based on a customer's purchase history. Use the goal seek feature to find the input value that will achieve a specific result. This is helpful when you need to optimize a formula or make predictions based on different scenarios. By mastering these hidden tips and tricks, you'll be able to work more efficiently and effectively in Excel. And who knows, you might even impress your colleagues with your newfound skills. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel.